salir en la tele. Dance, dance. Los hace bailar a los labores. Yo le hago bailar a él siempre. Arnel, say hello for Peru.
Hola, Perú. Hola.
That's all? En Filipino.
Ah,
En Tagalog, por favor.
kamusta mga taga-Peruano? Ako nga pala si Arnel.
For my friends.
And
Peru.
my friends, Christian and Hector.
Hola.
Christian,
Yeah?
Tito said to me that the neighbors need to go early.
Yeah. I got to.
So I think we need, we're going to adjust our plan.
Yeah?
It depends on our assessment today.
Huh? Okay.
So let's see.
Iván, me copias. Iván, me copias.
Ivan is very far here.
Yeah. Los cactus.